Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how we can send a voice chat in WhatsApp. So for this, firstly you have to find WhatsApp in your mobile device and just open it. Once you have opened your WhatsApp, you can see this interface where you can search for any of the new contacts or previously stored contacts from your mobile device. And for sending a voice chat, firstly you have to select a contact to whom you want to send the voice chat. Sending a voice chat is a feature in WhatsApp which is available in both Android as well as iOS devices. Once you have opened the chat to whom you want to send your voice chat, you have to locate a microphone option which is located on the bottom right corner of the screen. And you must hold the microphone option in order to send a voice chat, and when you are done with the voice chat, then you just leave the button. As you can see, we have sent a voice chat by using WhatsApp. So if this video helped you guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.